Hey everyone, welcome back to Thirsty on Thursday. Today we're going to get to know about the new Wellborn frameless Aspire line. I know you all have heard of IKEA, and IKEA is one of the largest frameless cabinet suppliers in the world. You've probably used them before. There are pros and cons about IKEA. Whatever your opinion that you have, they are selling about 40 kitchens per week. Because of this number, there's a lot of manufacturers like Wellborn that are starting their own frameless lines. When you want frameless cabinets, usually it's because you want a modern look. However, it might just be you want more space available inside the cabinets, or maybe you just like the look. Wellborn Aspire line is a full access frameless line. It is inspired by European Cabinetry with straight, continuous, clean lines. Aspire has 50,000 plus door style combinations in high gloss and matte acrylics, wood, MDF, decorative laminate veneer, and even textured doors. You have choices of traditional, transitional, and contemporary door options. Some of the doors have a vertical grain pattern and some have a horizontal grain pattern. These cabinets are about 35% heavier than your regular cabinets, very heavy. The interior of these cabinets come either white, gray, or natural maple melamine. When measuring, you have to know that if you have an exposed side, you will need to add a 3/4 inch panel to your cabinet for your measurements. This will create an exposed side to match the door color. Choices of wood dovetail and metal drawers with soft close rails. There is 3/4 inch panels, ends, shells, and bottoms. The front edge banding has choices also. You can do a matching edge, aluminum edge, or an accent edge. The color Inspire option is also available, so you can let your creativity go and pick any color you want. There is a 4-week lead time for our order to arrive, and there are many companies that sell frameless products, so you need to make sure you pick the right manufacturer with high quality. When you use a frameless cabinet, it needs to be built very well to hold its integrity. If installed wrong, it'll be what we call racked, which causes the cabinet to be out of plumb. The first excuse is always to blame the cabinet company, but it's actually caused by the installation being done wrong. So in closing, remember the frameless quality is of highest importance along with using the right installer. We will be offering training classes for the Inspire line throughout this whole year. You can go ahead and feel free to give me a call at 404-409-0283 if you would like to attend this training. It is completely free. We'll see you next week.